Hey there, budget buddies. If you're using the YNAB app, short for you need a budget, and need to log out for security reasons, switching devices, or just taking a break, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to log out quickly and easily. Don't worry, this won't take long, and you'll be back to managing your finances in no time. First things first, make sure you have the YNAB app open on your smartphone or tablet. Once you're logged in and looking at your dashboard, look for the menu icon. It's usually in the top left or right corner. Think of it as a little hamburger icon with 3 lines. Tap on that, and a sidebar or drop-down menu should appear. Next, scroll through the options until you spot Settings or Account Settings. This is where all the personalization and security features live. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, in the Settings menu, hunt for the Log Out or Sign Out button. It might be under a section like Account or Security, so keep an eye out. Once you find it, tap Log Out, and the app might ask for a confirmation to make sure you really want to do this. Just hit Yes or Confirm, and boom, you're logged out. Your data is safe and sound in the cloud, so no worries there. If you're using the YNAB web version on your computer, the process is just as straightforward. Click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner, and look for the Log Out option in the drop-down menu. Select it, confirm if prompted, and you're all set. Logging out is a smart habit to protect your financial info, especially on shared devices. If you run into any issues, YNAB's support team is awesome. Check their help center for more details. Thanks for watching, and remember, staying on top of your budget starts with the little things like this. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips and tricks. See you next time.